We're trying to teach Elemental City's preschoolers how to control their elements, but we can barely explain ourselves.
I've got an idea! Quick, Fizzy, follow me! All right.
Cool! What is it?
It's Play-Doh!
Play-Doh? How's that gonna help us?
Well, we could make each element out of Play-Doh. You know, to help us understand it.
Ooh, great idea.
Oh, me, pick me! Can we do me first?
Of course! But first, we're gonna need a helping hand. Miss Hands, we need a hand.
Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Whoa, look at all this colorful Play-Doh. What are we making? We're making elements, and I'm up first. Awesome! Now, Claude is Earth, so we could make a...
Flower! Flowers grow in the earth.
That's right, Phoebe. Oh, and then I can give it to Ember. Oh, Claude, not again. Come on, let's get making. Now we need to put the yellow bit to the side, take our pretty pink, and cut out some pretty petal shapes. Ta-da! So cute! And now to put it all together. Ta-da! What do you think, Claude? It's perfect! My dearest Ember. Quick! Miss Hands! Let's make a flame, to represent me. Fire! Okay, Ember. Now, what color should we use?
Well, fire is red and orange.
Of course! Good job, Wade. So let's roll out some red and orange Play-Doh like this. Perfect!
Miss Hands, that doesn't look like a flame. That looks like a flat pancake.
Oh yeah, you're right, Phoebe. We need to cut out a flame shape like this. Now we're gonna place the orange one on top of the red one, like this. Now finally, let's pinch the top part like this to make the pointy part of the flame. Ta-da! All done. Ooh, oh dear, it's getting a bit hot in here. Ember! Oh, it's perfect! All right, Claude, you can pass the flour now. Hey, that's not nice. Give it back.
Don't worry, everyone. I can fix it.
How?
With some water. Miss Hands?
Great thinking, Wade. All we need is a water droplet. So, let's make one.
And we only need the color blue, like Fizzy. That's right. Good job, Phoebe.
All right, let's take this super pretty blue Play-Doh and roll it. Now we need to cut out a teardrop shape.
Ooh, what's that?
It's round at the bottom and pointy at the top. Just like our flame shape.
Oh, cool! I love this shape. So pretty.
Uh-oh, this water droplet's getting, whoa, slippy. Whoa! Sorry, Ember. That's all right, Miss Hands. Oh no, what's wrong, Gail?
We don't need my element.
Hey, need it, Gail. Here, let me show you. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Bizzy, Bop.
I never thought I'd see this, but it's getting really warm.
Yeah, I need a big pool of water.
Or a breeze. Wait, that's me. I can make a breeze.
Perfect! Come on, Gail. One cool cloud coming right up.
Oh, I can't wait. What's first?
First, we gotta take this white Play-Doh, and now we gotta...
Roll it flat.
You got it, Phoebe!
But wait, Miss Hands, how do we cut out a cloud shape?
With this super cool cloud cutter!
Awesome sauce.
There you go, Gail. One perfect cloud.
All right, it worked. Oh, thanks, Miss Hands.
Whoa! Look at all of our elements!
They're so pretty. And each one just as important as the other.
You know what? Working together was so much fun! You're right, Claude. And now we can teach the Elemental City preschoolers with confidence.
Awesome sauce. Oh, I'm so proud of everyone. Come on, I think it's time to teach those preschoolers what you've learned.
Good idea, Fizzy. See you later.
Oh, wait! Don't forget your Play-Doh elements!
We won't. Come on, team. Let's go.
Thanks for watching! We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day! We will see you next time!
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Bizzy, Bop.